Yeah, hit it. Punch it. Punch that egg.
Peel it with your finger, Milo. Fire truck! Huh? Fire truck! Man, I can stop thinking about when them cats busted it. It reminded me of like a mall cat fucking scene. They came in serious fucking shit here. How long was this in your car for?
A while.
Yeah, it's got like coffee stuck in it. Did it have shit in it?
Daddy.
Just like the rib bottom?
Are you eating it?
Daddy.
Let me check it.
Bring it to Mommy, I'll wash it up.
Yes.
Bring it to Mommy.
That's my baby, Daddy. See, Mommy. Daddy, no, do that bit. That's all that bit, Mommy.
Now go eat it. Go eat it to Daddy. Go show Daddy.